Alright, y'all, so I am in the mood to do my nails. So I am using this kit to put some press-ons on with. And I got this kit from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box, but I like this because it had a bunch of different colors. It had some neutrals in there, some colors I could wear for fall. And it was a good price. I love that it came in this container to keep it in. And I chose this set right here. So I already picked the nails that match my nails. So I already picked them out and lined them up to make this easy. I'm going to be using this nail glue. This nail glue came out of one of my Kiss press-on nail boxes. So this is the Kiss press-on pink gel nail glue. So I'll be using this. I will be using a file to file down the tips. And I also am going to be using my drill. And I like to drill the inside of my nails because that is the key to keeping them on and letting them stay for a long time. I've tried to just buff my nails and then add the glue, and that stays for a while, but I've learned that whenever I buff the inside of the actual press-on and then buff my nail and then glue them on, they stay for a very long time. That's when I can get them to last up to 3 weeks. So that's what we're going for today. And I'm just going to start, and hopefully you guys like this and take some tips. All right, y'all, so we are all done. I had to turn on the light because it started getting dark in here, but the nails are on and secured. So next I'm going to take my file, and you can see kind of like the tips of the nails have that white tab on them. I'm just going to go in and file that off so that is not there. And then once I do that, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. And y'all, that's it. It took me less than 10 minutes to throw these nails on. And that's what I love. Like, I'm not sitting in a nail shop all day. I can choose whatever color I want. If I wanted to add some design to these, I absolutely could. It didn't cost me an arm and a leg because y'all, they charge so much of these nail shops for nails now. It's ridiculous. It's like, are you serious? Like, why? Let me grab my cuticle oil. All right, y'all, so at this point, you can cut your nails down if you want to. I've started to just file them. They're already pretty much ready to go. I did buy the size that I want, so these are medium length, but I'm just filing to get that shape more to how I want it so it can be a little bit more crisp. But yeah, if you want to cut them down, I know some people cut them down to their nail. If you like yours like super short, you can get the short ones. Like I said, these are mediums, so I usually roll with the mediums. I don't like the long nails. It's just too much for me. But yeah, I just roll with the medium length and then kind of file them down as I need to make sure the shape is what I like. All right, now that I have them all shaped up, I'm using my Nourish oil, which is pretty much a cuticle oil from Kiara Sky Professional Nails. And this is what it looks like. I actually got this in a kit. So I did purchase a while back the Kiara Sky dip powder kit, and this was one of the products in the kit, but I still like to use this oil, and so I'm just going to brush the oil around my cuticles to finish off this look for the nails. And y'all, when I say this is super easy and so cost efficient, like ever since I got into doing my press-ons, like y'all can't get me in nobody's nail shop. Why? What I'm gonna do there? Just give them my money? No way. So I'm just gonna keep going around the cuticles, and I know a lot of you guys like press-ons as well, so I'll be watching y'all, especially when you do your hauls and stuff, because then I'm like, ooh, I like that design, and I get to see where y'all get them from. Like I said, I got these from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description for y'all. So after I put my cuticle oil on, I just rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And also one other thing, you guys, if you want to have these glossy, because they do have a set where you can buy them glossy. These are actually mattes. If you don't want the matte, you can always paint over them with a clear gel top. You can always paint over them with a clear gel top coat if you don't want them matte, but I think I like the way the matte looks. And here we go. Nails are done. And I don't know, the color kind of looks a little pink on camera, but these are like a purple color. So I am in love and I am finished. So yay to my press-ons.